Supporting home music. All of us on this stage right now. Shu Moore on lead guitar. Kenny Lee on bass. Sherkung Fouamvung on drums. And Travis Lee on keys and piano. Lenore, tonight, if you guys did not show up, we would not be on this stage tonight. We would not be doing what we love. And so I just want to say thank you so much for coming out tonight. Please, 出咗冇啊？